Your vehicle is fitted with an automatic air conditioning system for optimum comfort. When you switch on automatic mode, the system can regulate air temperature, ventilation speed, air distribution in the passenger compartment, and air recirculation to maintain a comfortable environment and ensure good visibility. Press this button to turn the auto program on. The system is now optimized to suit the exterior conditions and reach the chosen comfort level. The system switches the air conditioning on and off for you when it's in automatic mode. Press this button to switch the air conditioning on or off yourself. Press this control up to increase the ventilation speed and down to reduce it. To change the distribution of air in the passenger compartment, keep pressing this button until you reach the desired distribution. To adjust the temperature on the driver's side, move this control up or down. Please note, if you manually change one of these settings, automatic mode is deactivated. To switch it back on, just press Auto again. If there is condensation or frost on your windows, press this button to activate the Clear View feature. The windscreen, rear screen, front side windows, and door mirrors will quickly demist. The air conditioning and rear screen deicer will automatically switch on. To turn the Clear View feature off, press this button again or press the Auto button. Press this button to switch the rear screen deicer or demister function on or off. Use the Max AC button to turn the air conditioning system up to full power. Lastly, to avoid introducing polluted air into the passenger compartment, for example in traffic jams, your vehicle automatically activates the air recirculation function based on the quality of the outdoor air. The ventilation then operates with a closed circuit. You can of course manually activate this feature whenever you want by pressing this button. The built-in indicator light comes on to confirm the activation. Please note, prolonged use of this feature may cause misting. It's advisable to return to automatic mode as soon as air recirculation is no longer necessary. To stop the entire air conditioning system, press this button down. And note that Eco mode may limit the effectiveness of the air conditioning in order to reduce power consumption. Every time the engine is started, the air conditioning system uses the same settings as when the vehicle last stopped.